Hey everyone, this is Tim. You might notice that I sound a little bit clearer today. That's because I finally caved and bought a microphone. Um, it's just sort of a cheap model, but gets the job done. Anyway, today I'm going to do a little tutorial about how I did my tutorial. I'm not actually going to go into, you know, too much of the making of, because that's going to be boring. I wanted to focus more on the software that I use to make it, which is called camstudio. Because I think I heard in class some people talking about looking for screen recording software and whatnot. Anyway, camstudio is open source software. It's pretty useful. You can find it online. I should mention that it is only for Windows users. If you're a Mac user, you're a little out of luck. So anyway, new Reddit gift exchanges. Cool. One of them's for socks. Alright, well, if any of you are Reddit fans, there's a new gift exchange up. You can get socks and gift socks. So head on over. I know I will. Anyway, camstudio. Just go in, spell it right if you can. And this is the site. It is camstudio.org. It's open source free streaming video software. You can read a little bit about it, whatever you want. It puts out any video you make in AVI, which means it can be used pretty much everywhere. Anyway, you want to scroll down to here and hit download now and do whatever you need to do, run it, save it, whatnot. And when all is said and done, you will get this box here that I had kept in the corner. This is sort of the, I guess, toolbar of camstudio. The important things are, record, pause, stop recording, and, pretty simple. Some of the important things you need to change, and really the only things I found that I need to touch is, you can select a region to capture. You can go full screen like I'm doing. You can capture a window, a fixed region, a selected region. Never, ever push video options, this one, when you're recording. I have tried it several times, and all it's done is crashed it. You might have noticed that my cursor is surrounded by yellow, and when I click right, it's blue. When I click left, it's red. Do that cursor options. You want to have your cursor shown. You can hide it though if you want to get rid of it in the video. And then you want highlight cursor. Then you can scroll this around. It'll change the shape of it. You can change it from a circle to square. You can change the color to green or turquoise, whatever the hell color that is, and change the colors that happen when you click, or you can turn that part off. You have audio options here. You can choose audio for microphone, speaker, synchronization. With this, you can choose not to record any audio. I think that's maybe the default. I don't remember, but I have it chosen to record audio from a microphone. You can also record audio from your speakers. And the only other really thing here that's important is program options. You can do a couple things. You can hide flashing rectangle during recording. You can minimize the program on start of recording to get it out of the screen if you want to focus on something else. Save on exiting and capture translucent layered windows are on right away. You can choose to play the AVI when it stops. Name of the AVI file, you can ask for a name or just automatic file naming. I just have it automatic file naming. I'll rename it myself when I'm done. Recording thread priority. No, I don't touch that. This one is important though, because the default is use Windows temporary directory, which is your temporary file in your C drive, and that can be a pain to get to every time. You can also use application installed directory, but I choose to send it somewhere. So to do that, you click on it, In my case, I went to users, Tim, my videos, okay. And so whenever I'm done with it, it'll, when I stop recording, it'll compress the file, it'll start to play it, and it'll also deposit it in my videos. Alright, but I guess that's really all you need to know about camstudio. Really does well with anything. You can keep it running. Like if I choose to do something in Windows Movie Maker, it'll keep recording things. As you can see, I have Keyboard Cat up here. I was planning on possibly using it in the upcoming mashup project. Audacity, really, yeah, just sort of whatever. Really good for showing tutorials of any sort. Look, I can show you how to sum numbers with it. In this, enter frick. Well, enter sum A1 colon A3. Enter. Look at that. Sum the numbers. Alright, and that's my tutorial on camstudio. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found it useful, and maybe you'll use it for future tutorials in DS106.